Good morning students. In today's class we are going to discuss about clauses. A clause is a group of words with a finite verb. A clause consists of only one subject and one verb. According to Merriam-Webster, a clause is a group of words containing a subject and predicate and functioning as a member of a complex or compound sentences. For example, I graduated last year. This sentence is an example of one clause sentence. When I came here, I met him. Here we have two clause and this is known as two clause sentence. When I came here, I saw him and he greeted me. This sentence is an example of three clause sentence. There are two types of clauses. They are independent clause and dependent clause. Let us read about these two clauses in detail. Independent clause. An independent clause functions on its own to make a meaningful sentence. In a sentence, two independent clauses can be connected by the coordinators and, but, so, or, nor, for, yet, etc. Look at these sentences. He is a wise man. Can you do it? I read the whole book. All these sentences are examples of independent clauses. Here we have only one subject and one verb in all these sentences. So these are the examples of independent clause. Dependent clause. A dependent clause cannot function on its own because it leaves an idea or thought unfinished. It is also called subordinate clause. A dependent clause alone cannot form a complete sentence. The subordinators do the work of connecting the dependent clause to another clause to complete the sentence. Subordinators include relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, that, etc. Subordinating conjunctions such as when, as, if, though, etc. and noun clause markers. For example, I know the man who built this house. Here, who built this house is the subordinate clause. That is, it depends upon the main clause, I know the man, to get the complete meaning. He does not know where he was born. Here, where he was born is the dependent clause and it depends upon the main clause, he does not know. If you don't eat, I won't go. Here, if you don't eat is the dependent clause, whereas I won't go is the main clause. To sum up, clauses are group of words with a finite verb that gives complete meaning in a sentence. There are two types of clauses, independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clauses are used in various kinds of sentences such as simple, complex and compound sentences, whereas dependent clauses are used only in complex sentences. Hope you have understood what are clauses, its types and its uses. Thank you students.